A very good morning to one and all. Children, this is your English language class and we are going to start a new topic today, which is adjectives. Okay? Children, what do we mean by adjectives? The word that describes the quality of a noun or a pronoun is called the adjective. This means that a word which tells us more about a noun or a pronoun is an adjective, children. Okay? You remember what nouns are? Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. And a pronoun is a word that takes place of a noun. Okay? So, the words which tells us more about a noun or a pronoun is called the adjective. Let us see some examples here, children. Jane is a clever girl. Now here, children, the word clever is an adjective and it describes Jane. It is telling us more about this girl, Jane. So clever is an adjective, alright, and Jane is a noun, children. Yes? Okay, we are going to see some more examples. Beautiful flower. Children, flower is a noun and this word beautiful is telling us more about the flower. So here, beautiful is an adjective. Similarly, big house. House is a noun and this word big is telling us more about the house, which is big. Big is an adjective. Okay? Now, children, we are going to see some types of adjectives. We are going to learn about adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, and demonstrative adjectives in grade 3. These 4 adjectives we learn in grade 3, and in grade 4 you will learn interrogative and possessive adjectives more. That means 2 more adjectives. In grade 3 there are 4. Okay, so we are going to begin with adjectives of quality, children. Adjectives of quality. The adjectives which show the kind or quality of a person or thing are called adjectives of quality. Okay, like London is a large city. Here city is a thing, it's a place, and large is an adjective which is telling us about the kind of city, right? So here large is adjectives of quality. He is an honest man, children. Honest is the word which is telling us more about the person, this noun, man. It is telling us about the quality of the man, honest. Honest is adjectives of quality. The foolish crow tried to sing. The quality of a crow is foolish. Okay? So the adjectives which gives or it tells us about the kind or quality of a noun, that is adjectives of quality, children. Okay? Adjectives of quality answer the question of what kind or what kind of. Okay? Kind, quality. Is that okay? Now, let us see adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of quantity show how much of a thing is meant. How much. Children, please remember, in adjectives of quantity, it tells us, these adjectives tells us the quantity of a noun which is uncountable, which you cannot count. Okay? And it answers the question how much. Much we use for the nouns which we cannot count. Okay? Let us see the first example. I ate some rice. Children, some is adjectives of quantity. It is telling us about the noun rice. Rice is a noun which is uncountable, children. We cannot count rice, right? He has little intelligence. You cannot count intelligence also. Intelligence is also an uncountable noun, right? Little is the adjective which is telling us about an uncountable noun, intelligence. He showed much patience. Patience is a noun which cannot be counted. So much is an adjective which is telling us about an uncountable noun, patience. He has lost all his wealth. Here wealth is the noun And all is an adjective which is telling us about an uncountable noun, wealth. Alright children? This is the difference between adjectives of quantity and adjectives of number. Alright? Let us see some more examples of adjectives of quantity. Please remember children, adjectives of quantity, these are those adjectives which tell us about the nouns which cannot be counted. Okay, those nouns cannot be counted. Like there is much water in the jug. Water is a noun. This adjective much is telling us about water. Water is a noun which cannot be counted. There is little water in the jug. Again, water is the noun which cannot be counted, and little is an adjective. Similarly, all these examples in front of you on the screen are examples of quantity. Okay, these are adjectives of quantity, because here the noun is water. In all the sentences, the noun is water, and you cannot count water, children. Alright? So much, little, a little, no, some, sufficient, enough. All these adjectives in these sentences are adjectives of quantity. So children, now we are going to see some examples from your own book. Before that, let us read what an adjective is. An adjective is a word that adds something to the meaning of a noun. Kinds of adjectives. Adjectives of quality and adjectives of quantity are there on this page. Let us read. Mumbai is a large city. A rich man helped the needy people. They are educated people. He is a handsome boy. Mary is a charming girl. Children, here city, man, people, boy, girl, these are nouns, okay? And the adjectives are highlighted with red. These are telling the quality of a person or thing. They are describing more the nouns, right? The quality of it. So adjectives which tell us of what kind a person or thing is are called adjectives of quality. Adjectives of quantity. There was sufficient food for the guests. She has lost all her wealth. There is little tea in the kettle. That woman showed much courage and patience. There was not any rice in the kitchen. Here children, food, wealth, tea, courage and patience, rice. These are nouns which are uncountable. You cannot count. Clear? So the adjectives defining these nouns, the uncountable nouns, these adjectives are called adjectives of quantity. Alright? Like sufficient, all, little, much, any. All these are here adjectives of quantity because the nouns they are describing are uncountable nouns. Adjectives which tell us how much of a thing is meant are called adjectives of quantity. Now children, let us see adjective of number. An adjective used to talk about the number of things or person is known as adjective of number. They show how many persons or things are meant. Children, adjectives of number, they answer the question how many. So here children, the adjectives which describe the nouns, which describe the countable nouns are adjective of number. I met her several times. We have 2 hands. Here children, times and hands, these are nouns which can be counted. So several and 2, these 2 are adjective of number. They are describing the nouns which can be counted, which are countable. Let us see from your book. There are few photographs in this album. There are several mistakes in the textbook. January is the first month of the year. A rainbow consists of 7 colors, and most children like to read comics. Children, here the nouns can be counted. Remember, in adjectives of number, the nouns can be counted. So you can count photographs, you can count the mistakes you have done, month, colors, children. These are nouns which can be counted. So here few, several, first, seven and most. All these are adjectives of number. They tell us how many things or people are meant. They are always used with countable nouns. So I am reading it from the box now. Adjectives which tell us how many of things or persons are meant are called adjectives of number. Okay, so children, this is the difference between adjectives of number and adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of numbers, these are adjectives which are used with nouns which can be counted, and adjectives of quality, these are adjectives used with nouns that cannot be counted. Those are adjectives of quantity. Okay, children, so we will see more type of adjectives in another class, and we will discuss these three: adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity and adjectives of number in the class as well. And we will practice the exercises. Till then, have a nice day, children. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.